Figure 8 is really excited to release some updates to our global navigation in the platform. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough to show you these changes and make you familiar with how to get to any part of the platform no matter where you are. When you first log in, you'll see this first-time user overlay. We have tooltips that explain what each of the icons are and what happens within each of those pages. So at the top, we have our home icon. This takes you to our template library where you can choose a template based on the use case you want to run. If you click Next, you'll go into Jobs. Next up, these next three icons are team specific, so you may not have access to these. Will depend on your configuration. But we do have workflows, that's where you can tie multiple jobs together. Then we have models, and finally analytics. At the end of this tour, you'll see your account way down at the bottom left. This will always be tethered to the bottom left of your screen. Your account is where you can manage your team, funds, you can change your password, anything that's specific to you or your team. So we'll go ahead and finish this. I do want to point out when you go to your jobs page, one change you'll notice is that at the top you no longer see your jobs versus team jobs. Instead, we've moved that over into the top right where you see user/team. It'll default to your jobs, but you can click on this drop down and choose your team jobs where you can view jobs that your teammates have created. Next, we have our chat support widget in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. You can click on that, and it's just the standard chat support. So when you type something in here, our support team should be reaching back out to you within a few minutes. Finally, if you ever want to revisit this tour, if you've forgotten what some of these sections are, you can always re-enable it from the bottom left. These updates should help you navigate the platform much more smoothly. This left-hand nav will be there on any page that you view within the platform, so you can always get back to your jobs, to analytics, to workflows, wherever you need to go. If you do have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at help@figure-8.com.